Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to use incognito in Chrome browser on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser, just like what you see right here. And having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to see how you can simply access incognito mode in Chrome browser. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and then make sure you click on New Incognito Window. Click on that, and it's open up like so. Then the next thing you need to do, you can start to browse incognito right here. Okay, and for you to do that, what you need to do is to come to the search engine right here. Let's say, for instance, you are looking for a particular website. What you need to do is to come to the search engine right here, type in the name of the site, and then simply hit on enter. Then in a few seconds, it's load up like so. Then you can begin to browse all through the website, just like so. Then you can do whatever you want to do as far as the incognito mode is concerned. Incognito mode and normal Chrome browser is to work the same way. It's just that for incognito mode, you are on a private browse section. It's as simple as that. And if you want to exit from incognito mode, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on incognito mode, and simply hit on close. And it's as simple as that. You'll be taken back to Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, if you want to browse private, you don't want people to know what you are doing on the web, it is advisable to go incognito mode on Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.